All right, we're on our way to try out this bakery on the east side. It's called Petit Chou. We don't quite know what we're going to get, but I'm sure it's going to be decadent. Should be good. So you guys stay tuned. Did get some pretty dope pastry. Wow. They said, what is this? They said it was like a Girl Scout like Samoan cookie.
It's a croissant with a brownie inside.
All right. This looks crazy. This does remind me of the Samoan cookie. And then when we were ordering, I got tempted by seeing this in the pictures. It's a, well, this is actually yours. This is the passion fruit
passion fruit cheesecake puff.
There you go. It looks so cute. This is what I was tempted about. This bad boy here. This wind is crazy, so I finally got the wind muff on, guys. So the sound should come out pretty good. That thing's pretty dense. Look at this. This thing's like 3 pounds. My goodness. Oh, it smells good. I'm gonna dig into this, sample all these, and leave a little review. This is a blueberry cheesecake Danish. This thing, like I said, was like 3 pounds. Good. Look at that. See you guys. Look at that. That looks good. This wind, I don't know if you guys can hear this wind. The shirt is flapping. Everything's blowing away. That's pretty good. Cheesecake. It's like it's almost like a custard. You know, if you had your Georgetown cheesecake cupcakes, this is what this tastes like. I think you like this. Oh man, guys, you gotta come here. It's good. I don't want to eat all this because it's kind of breakfast. I don't want it to be breakfast, but it's kind of messy, so I may have to eat all this. You gotta help me too, right?
Sure. I'll take one for the team.
Plus, solid 9 out of 10. Okay. I don't want to eat all this and get sick. Nah, wind really overwhelming our plastic bags, so we're gonna make use of this Jenga board, this Jenga thing, and hold stuff down. All right, here's the basically the Girl Scout Samoan croissant. Is that brownie inside?
Yeah.
My goodness, this is massive. How am I supposed to eat this thing? Wow, what's that? Coconut cream inside. Look at that. Jeez. You guys see, there's like a coconut cream filling. What is that, chocolate? And there's this, what's that going on
brownie.
down here? It's brownie. Wow. When I woke up today, I didn't think I'd have all this stuff for breakfast. The chocolate's more like, it's like cocoa. It's got like it's like chocolate like covered croissant flakes. The croissant is really flaky. Like a chocolate croissant, but not a stuffed chocolate croissant. Yeah, some of it's stuffed, but it's like a croissant made of chocolate. You've got the little coconut custard or cream in it. It's pretty good. I didn't, by the looks of it, I wasn't gonna get one. You asked me, you want one, Jim? I was like, nah, I'm good. But this is solid. Give it a solid 8 out of 10. I've never had anything like this. It's very inventive. I don't know where else they may have this, but this is definitely good. I know you probably would eat it for like breakfast. Sure. It has a croissant.
It's a croissant.
Yes, it's a croissant. But yeah, little chocolate pieces here. Solid 8 out of 10. I would definitely get it again. sure. All right. Last but not least is the passion fruit cheesecake puff.
Yes.
Definitely one of the cutest ones. I don't know how it gives. But this is Eric is going to be very delicate with it. I'm glad we were able to get in here, this food hall, that we won't say which one it is. We don't want to be banned or anything. Like if it was cold out here, or this was 3-4 years ago when this place didn't exist, we wouldn't be able to do this video.
Shout out to Urban Space.
Shout out to Urban Space in New York City, not at a particular one in Midtown. Here. Now this is the messiest one. See, I wish that, only complaint really, I wish this had a little bit more of a bottom to support this, like.
That's the engineering one.
Yeah, that's the engineering. Also engineering with that Jenga bar to hold down the. This is filled with passion fruit curd and cheesecake. It's really, really delicate. Oh. It's one for the senses. You can actually smell the passion fruit before you even before you get within inches of your mouth. It's really, really good. Oh, what's this? It's like
passion fruit jelly.
Passion fruit jelly. This is super decadent. I mean, you're gonna love this. People, you have to come out to Petit Chou. It's really worth it. I mean, it's only on the east side, but all the way on the east side, but it's really, really worth it. A little small place. It's not really that much space to eat in there, but take it out, take it home, eat on up. They got so many different types of pastries that really inventive. I never, other than with the exception of the blueberry cheesecake Danish, which kind of I think I've seen other places do. That Samoan Girl Scout cake croissant, and this are really, bar none, to really haven't had anything like this in the city as far as pastries. It takes a little bit more. I'm not going to eat it all, don't worry. Kind of reminds me of like as you say, I love so much. Benedict. See, I don't love them that much. I can't remember the name. There you go. I think you should take this. I would give the passion fruit puff cheesecake definitely different. 9 out of 10. I really can't compare it to anything else. I would give the cheesecake a 9, Samoan 8 or 9, but even 9. And this pastry, the passion fruit one, it could easily be a 10 as well. It's inventive. Definitely 10 for inventiveness. 10 for decadence. I'm going to say how neat it is. I mean, they're messy.
But they're well worth it.
Worth it. Definitely delicious. I definitely come again. That concludes our review of the pastries we had at Petit Chou. If you made it to the end of the video, write in blueberry cheesecake Danish in the comments. And also, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know where I should go next, and I'll see you in the next video. Shout out to the real MVP, the Jenga pieces holding down our tissues in this windstorm. That concludes our review of the pastries we had at Petit Chou. If you guys...
What's going on?
I think they're trying to shoot a video about me. That concludes our review of the pastries at Petit Chou. If you made it to the end of the video, say blueberry cheesecake donut